Hi there, Beau Miller here from Boutique Realty, and today I'm at a very special property at 15 Mount Crosby Road in Tivoli. So it is unfortunately a wet and rainy day today, so I'm not going to be able to walk you around outside too much, but I can show you it has got a fully fenced front yard here. And it is gated off the street as well. So I'm going to jump on the veranda before I get too wet and give you a little bit of a peek out the front there. Okay, so as you can see, this home has some gorgeous features. And I don't know if you've noticed there, but there is a access to the loft up into the ceiling. There's a staircase that comes down, so really easy access to put storage up there. My kids would love a bedroom up there, I think. This is the master room in here. This section here at the moment is a wardrobe, but if I'm honest, I would probably look at putting a bathroom into this space. Originally it would have been a wraparound veranda on the property, but certainly you could pop a bathroom in there. It's air conditioned in this room, and then across the hallway we have another air conditioner, so split system on the wall. This room's been used as an office in the past. Okay, now you can see these floors are just absolutely stunning. This would be used as your lounge area. We have another little built-in annex. It does have a wardrobe, so if you are needing 6 bedrooms, you could use this one as a 6th room. That would make it 3 upstairs, but there are plenty more downstairs. Our kitchen, very spacious kitchen, dishwasher. You've got a 5-burner gas stove, plenty of room for your fridge on that wall there. I know you probably noticed there was a smaller fridge space, but that would work perfectly well now with the size of fridges these days. Now in through here is the bathroom that services the upstairs. Now what you probably can't see on the video is all of these windows have actually been replaced. So you've got timber window at the back here, and there are metal windows right through, but they still keep with the classic Queenslander style. Hopefully you can still hear me. It is pouring down with rain at the moment, which is not normal to Queensland, although we do have a little bit of a wet season happening at the moment. So you've got a 1,000 square metre yard, or just above. It has a garden shed down in the back there. Previously there was a swimming pool, so there's plenty of room for that. There's a garden water tank as well. All this balustrading is all metal as well, so very low maintenance. Okay, let's get you downstairs to have a good look. I do have to say, I don't mind this feature wall in here. Ties in quite nicely. And then we go to the downstairs area. Now you have to excuse me, I didn't pop the lights on before I did this. So I'll probably flick the switches as we're going through. There we go. So this area is air conditioned. It isn't legal height. Everyone asks me the question if it is legal height. So I can only call this a utility room. There's an air conditioner as well down here. Now this is one of the rooms down here that again is not a bedroom. We call it a utility room simply because of the height of the room, but this would make up a 6th room if need be. There is smoke alarms at the property, and that's a storage cupboard in there. Okay, so as we pop down, oh, I didn't mention that door does go out to the car park, so it does have an entrance through here. Okay, so we're down into what I like to call is Granny's flat, or it could be the teenager's retreat. Bathroom that services the downstairs level, which also is your laundry. Huge, huge shower space. Okay, As you saw, that was a separate toilet with a little vanity. I'm losing track of which bedroom we're up to, but we've got another massive bedroom down here. If I said 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then we keep going through. This is a living space down in here with a kitchenette. Oh, I've turned the light off, not on. Another bedroom. This is legal height in this particular section, so we can call this one a bedroom. Harry Potter's cupboard. Big though. I think Harry would have loved a cupboard of that size. Again, smoke alarms right through the property. Okay, and this is our little kitchenette. So downstairs does have outdoor living as well, fully undercover. I'm not going to go outside, I was thinking about it, but I think I'm going to get myself very wet if I do that. So I really hope you've liked the tour today. The home is gorgeous, it's big, plenty of living space, plenty of potential, 1,000 square metre block like I said. There'd be room to put a shed down the back, a pool down the back. There is a carport, which I didn't show you, but there is a carport already and easy side access. So love to see you at this property soon. If you would like to make an offer already though, give me a call, 0411 439 437. Have a good day.